All right, ladies and gentlemen, what we're driving today is a 2019 Nissan Altima. This is actually the Platinum Edition forward-wheel drive. And what we're just going to demonstrate for you real quick is how to use the ProPILOT Assist. Very, very convenient feature. And it does have some safety to it as well, very economic. It helps you also when you're going on really, really long trips. What you're going to want to do is press the little button on the right side. That is the way that you're going to actually turn it on. And you're going to press, once it is on, you're going to press set on the bottom there. There you go. And now what it's doing, it's actually, you have the cruise control going on, and it can actually pick up the vehicle distance in front of you as well. This is an on-hand feature, so you are gonna want to keep your hands on the vehicle. If the vehicle at any point feels that you may take your hands off of the steering wheel, it will nudge you to let you know eventually. And then basically it wants you to know, hey, be aware, don't fall asleep on the road or anything like that.
Right here, look at this. So he's steering by himself as long as I have my fingers on the steering wheel. So the vehicle, it finds the road and it just steers. We got a steering assist, which works and give me a warning that I'm not holding my hands on the steering wheel. So this way is super convenient. So the vehicle just gonna do the job, and you just have to make sure that you have a couple of fingers on the steering wheel, or at least one. So the other hand you can use it. So it's a really convenient feature. Has a lot of safety as far as the blind spots, electronic braking distribution. It's a really cool vehicle, as you can, Jeffrey can show us inside of the vehicle. Has all the great features as far as the safety and comfort. And that's
Blind spot warning as well.
Yep, the blind spots are always there. So the vehicle is, there we go. He found the vehicle in front of me, and it's gonna do the job as long as I'm just here present with my fingers on the steering wheel. So
it is something that'll take a little bit of practice to do, but it's very convenient, I would say, when you're going on long trips, either for business, pleasure, just want to take the family out. But yeah, we have amazing vehicles. A lot of our new Nissan product is actually equipped with the ProPILOT Assist. Come over here to Reed Nissan Orlando and come check us out. We'll be able to assist you.
So make sure, ask for me, Stephan, or Jeffrey. We're always here to serve you guys. We have great deals going on for all the Central Florida, and just we'll be pleased to help you out.